Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce you all to my Bail Bondsman business plan template. And so the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'm going to walk you all through my Bail Bondsman business plan template. I'm going to show you all the Word document, which includes the actual business plan template. And then I'll introduce you all to the financial model that's customized for the Bail Bondsman industry. I'll show you all briefly what's included in that financial model as well. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and move through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my Bail Bondsman Company business plan template. So if and when you do purchase the Bail Bondsman business plan template, just come with a Word document, which is right here. And then it also comes with a financial model. And for this video, I'm going to briefly walk you through both the Word document and as well as the financial model. Keep in mind for the financial model, I do offer some free tutorials that you're able to review, and it'll give you some more in-depth knowledge as to how to use the model. All right, so let's go ahead and zip through the Word document. So when you do open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page. At the top it says Bail Bondsman Company. Underneath it's going to say business plan. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and get rid of this wording right here, the Bail Bondsman Company. They're going to put the name of the company there and then leave the wording business plan underneath, or they'll go ahead and put their logo right here and again leave this wording right here. The second page is going to be your table of contents. In your table of contents, once you add a little bit of meat to the bone, you expand your business plan, put your information in there, come back to the table of contents, click on it, click on update table, click on update entire table, click on OK, and then your headers and your page numbers are going to update accordingly. In the executive summary section, I have provided y'all with several areas that you can go ahead and update for your, some of the areas can be your Bail Bondsman Company summary. In this section, I did use some AI help, and for the AI, it did help in sprucing up some of the wording. So if you like the wording, great. If you don't, go ahead and change it to your preference. Anywhere that you do see yellow highlights, I strongly recommend you review it and make the changes to make sure they are aligned with your company. So for the executive summary section, it includes your Bail Bondsman Company summary, your target market, which again I use AI to help generate, your financial highlights, and then your funding request. The next section is going to be your company description section. In this company description section, again, anywhere in yellow, go ahead and review it. Make sure it's your own. And just anywhere it has brackets or parentheses, update it and put your information in there. Some of the areas that I did use AI for to improve is going to be your Bail Bondsman Company summary right up here, and then your popular services. I used a little bit of AI to go ahead and expand upon that as well. Next, we also include in this section your competitive advantage section, your primary target market section, a starting point for your pricing strategy, hours of operation, your location, and then your business objectives and timeline. So that rhymes up this segment. Again, anywhere in yellow, I recommend you go ahead and make sure it's correct, but just read through the template in general, add your information, expand upon it as needed. The next section is going to be your industry analysis. In this section right here, I did go ahead and access my my report from IBIS World. IBIS World, in my opinion, they are the industry leader in industry research. So I accessed report, summarized information, and put it in here. And here are some statistics that I included for the template. I've expanded this segment to include the products and services segment for the Bail Bondsman industry. Your next section is going to be your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. And this section right here, it is a smart art, so you would click on it, and you'll go ahead and click on this little arrow right here, and these bullet points, you're going to update that with your information, change it if you see fit. The next section is going to be the organizational structure, and the organizational structure is broken up into two segments, which is your ownership segment, and then your organizational chart segment, again, updated as needed. The next section is going to be the marketing section. In the marketing section, typically a bail bondsman, they're going to advertise in 3 different channels, which is your traditional, your internet, and social media. And here is a great starting point for each one of those segments. Next is going to be a funding request. How much money do you need to get your party started for the bail bondsman industry or your company? And that information you're going to go ahead and update right here. The total amount of funding needed to start or expand, term expected, interest rates expected, and so on. The next section is going to be your financial projections. So my financial model is going to give you projections for the first 12 months, your profit and loss for 1 year. It's going to be broken up monthly as well as quarterly. So we got month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we'll have month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then we also have a pro forma income statement, and this is just your annual projections for the next 5 years. And these financial statements, they are going to come from the financial model, which is right here. And for my financial model, what you're going to do is anywhere in the darker color cells, you're going to update that with your information. And you can go ahead and update that information right here with your daily sales, your labor right here for monthly. Then it's going to go ahead and be your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost. Anywhere in the darker color cells, you're going to put your information. Then we've got our growth rates. Again, your information will go right here. And then the loan information, again, anything in the darker color cells, you want to go ahead and update right there. And once you update this information, your projections tab, which is just a summary tab, will update. And then your profit and loss for 12 months will update as well. And then your income statement for the next 5 years is going to update as well, your pro forma income statement. Once you're done making your changes on the information page, you're going to go to your specific financial statement. You're going to then highlight it. You're going to copy it. And then once you're done copying it, you're going to go ahead and then paste it into the Word document. And that'll go ahead and update your financial statements in the business plan template. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.